ceilings plaster. Can't you just make it move faster? Lovely to be sitting here with you. You're kinda cute, but it's raining harder. My shoes are now full of water. Lovely to be rained on with you. It's kinda cute, but it's so short. Then you're driving me home, and I don't wanna leave, but I have to go. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before.
Ay, makauban pa yun. Hi, Mar!
So, hapit na spoil ganiyan ako, Mark.
Gani.
Mastoryahan niya na ito ni ipagkumanto sa'yo.
2 p.m. gid. 2 p.m. gid ihawa si Mar. Hi, Mar! Mar! Padulong may bara mag-plako. Oo. Gibanan pa ka na mo. Pauli gid ka. Oo.
Uli atong my friend first para maka-practice. Ay, go watch. Atsan.
Say hi to Maria. Hi, Em! Birthday na niya ni. Happy birthday, Em! Kiss Ray.
Ipunon pa kayo na! Sa buwan kami!
Nabidyo na!
Ano ang masasabi mo? Kani?
Corruption?
Ha? Ano ang masasabi mo?
Aray ko!
Apat guys. I love you, Marian. I love you, Marian. Ano masasabi
Ay, Marian, dugay kay si Leandro. Saan pa practice mo speaker?
I love you, Marian.
Happy birthday, Marian.
Marian? First impression ni mo ni Maria.
Akong first impression sa imo is very sabaan sa grade 7 nato na JC, then dahan ka recommendation sa editing, cringe nato na mga edits sa grade 7 to grade 8 na classmates pata.
You're so cool. When I saw you first back then sa grade 10, that's when di pa ta close. Napakay blonde hair. You're so cool, dancerist.
Way back in grade 2, kay orientation man to, at she was sitting one row after me. She was that shy type na person. Hilomon si Marian ato nga time kay.
My first impression ni Marian, grade 9 pa man jud to bay. Ako jud matimanan siya kay ga-crochet siya. Tas ako sad ga-crochet sad ko. It's like, oh, perchada ka siya crochet bay. Or ganan kay ko ani bay. Cool nga person tas ga-crochet bay. I was like, I like this girl.
First na ko siya nakita sa grade 11. Pretty and friendly. Next question is favorite memory, activity of or with her?
Favorite memories sa imo kay tong sige ta chat sa grade 9 even though dili pa ta classmates.
My favorite memory would be tong naglag tas niyong balay and nangaon and everything. Meron siya dormitory for the girls. Yes.
Marian! Tara, Mar!
Ito yung green jacket tapos ito na floral. Oh. Pero hindi ito ginasuot ni Marian. Tapos yung hair pa ito is
Of course, the chicas. During snack time or lunchtime, outside the school. Hindi na siya mawala. Favorite also is when we do practices for dance competitions or events at school. Different choreos, like hard choreos or simple choreos. Because you're the one who pas makatuon dito choreo. Everything is my favorite memory. Hang out together with the nerdy people, the kupal people, or anything, you know.
Random moments sa classroom bitaw, and then kinanaway na din talo.
Mag-learn ta og dance, tapos magpalit ni dungan og coke after class or after practice.
Mga Coca-Holic.
Coke-aholic, Coke lover. Love you, Mar. Tapos kuanda yun, mag-chika. Always nag-chika. And how do you think of her now that she's 18? Tiguan na siya. Pwede na siya makulong. Unta 18 will be good for you. Always remember na naamay mga gnarly, cool pal community para sa imo. If you have problems and you want to say something and everything.
As someone nga na 18 na po, it's actually like the same. Doesn't make a big difference. But knowing you're legal now, pwede na ka mapiso or unsa ba na, it's actually pretty normal. And now, thinking nga 18 na ka, ate-ate na po ka sa mundo. Isa na ka sa ate-ate.
I think that she will be a wonderful woman. I mean, she always has been this selfless, helpful, smart, and the person who takes initiative in a woman bitaw. And she is also caring towards her family and sa young friends and sa people.
How do you think of her right now as an 18 years old? Now that you're 18, I can see you as a strong, independent woman, an ambitious, and kind and cheerful, and a pretty woman I've met. As you've grown so much every year, I'm so proud that you entered this new chapter of your life as an adulthood with so much grace. Starting from this year, like as you entered the college, everything is gonna be okay. The people who support you and love you are always there for you. Officially a lady right now, I'm so proud of you. And 18 with Kamar.
I think crazy nga 18 na bitaw ka. Madumduman jud na ko is mga 15 pa ta. Paspas kayong oras. It's nice nga we got to see each other be 18.
Marian's always been mature. And now that she's 18, ako may lang is proud ko of the person that she has always been. Say a fun fact that you notice about her. Low-key rin siya. Low-key rin kayo. Low-key sa baan. Whenever like klase mi or yan, nahilam siya. Kalma lang. Pero pag manggawas mi, sabagin kayo mi. Ng other friends na mo, sabagin kayo mi.
Your side comments sa mga people around you. Kanang kung random ra kay ingon nga, grabe daw siya kay kon nga. Like, yeah. Agree.
Fun fact about kay Marian, wala siya kabalo. Ano siya? Nasa pagka... Sorry, Mar. Maldita gamay. Pagka maldita gamay. Lapin na pag... Kanang ano... Pag... I mean, normal man noon. Pag... Kanang practices. Dagan kay... Nayosay. Ikaw paminaw. Pero nayosay ba nga... Kanang mamaldita. Mamaldita sa gamay. And also, she has this kanang... Mother type nga... Ano? I don't know how to describe it. Pero kanang... Mother type nga... Trait. Dito. Like... Kanang... Mura na mo ka ng mama si Marian po. Ate po kibali kay matured man si Marian po. So, yeah, mura to.
She actually has a nice penmanship. Like, every notes she do, like, tsaka gid, mura gid type sa computer, like, print, like, you know.
Funny kay kag reaction sa things. And uptick kay ka. You're always observant to your surroundings. And because you're so observant, automatic ka mag-react.
Same Rami ni Raisa, parang mag-make with ako corny nga jokes sa group, and then si Marian ragid ang mukatawa. Like, biskan corny gid ko siya, biskan ako kay aware ko nga corny, pero siya mukatawa gid siya og kanang grabe.
I think pareha dyan mo.
Yes.
I'd like to give a short message again, Marian. Happiest 18th birthday. So, I'd like to mention we are here always ready to help and support you, especially sa imong mga struggles, Mar. Ayaw gyud kaula mo doon sa amo. And also, I'm hoping this day or this moment, it actually made this moment really special to you. So as your circle of friends, I'm also hoping our relationship with one another can grow deeper good and to the point nga we trust each other good. So again, happiest 18th birthday, Marianne!
Bye-bye.